Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, open Settings and tap on Apps section. Then you need to click on Permissions and tap on Permissions again. Now select one of your device's features that you wish to manage. I will go with microphone. Over here, click on one of your apps, in my case Chrome, and select the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this app. But you can always tap on any feature and then on an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to manage my calendar. Then scroll down instead and choose See All Calendar Permissions. Finally, you can adjust all of those options only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!